welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a full guide on how to send a DocuSign to multiple signers. Okay, so first up, go ahead and log into your DocuSign account. Now click on Start. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, just go ahead and upload your file. Okay, just going to go ahead and upload a random PDF right here. Wait for it to load. So multiple signers, make sure that this one is unticked. Okay, I'm the only signer. Don't check it. Now add in a name, for example, Mr. Number 1. This is the email. Add more recipient. Okay. Mr. Number 2. I'm just going to copy the email. Mr. Number 2 at gmail.com. Mr. Number 3. Mr. Number 3 at gmail.com. Okay. Just for example, it's just 3 emails. Okay. I'm going to hit on next. Make sure that every field, for example, you have a text field with a name. Mr. Number 1. Like so. I'm going to paste, copy, make it 3, edit, number 2, number 3. Okay. Add a signature besides their names. Okay, of course. Maybe like that. Another signature. Okay. Another one. Now make sure that the fields right here, click on sign. For Mr. Number 1, make sure that it is set to Mr. Number 1. For Mr. Number 2, make sure that it is set to Mr. Number 2. Okay? Because what will happen is that when you don't assign a field right here, okay, like these ones, for example, the only assigned field was all Mr. Number 1. Well, when Mr. Number 1 right here clicks on this sign button, okay, everything right here will be signed. All right? So once that's done, just hit on send and you're good to go. That's how you send DocuSign to multiple signers. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.